It's all so beautiful. I just love watching the white fluffy things fall from the sky.
It's called snow, Esteban.
Oh, well, it's like the heavens have dandruff.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention? Not only are we lighting the Tipton Tannenbaum, this year we're lighting the whole outside of the hotel. Right, Arwen?
Ready when you are, Captain.
During this special time of year...
This is going to be a long speech. I have shopping to do.
I hope the spirit of Christmas in each and every one of us burns as brightly as the lights on our tree. Short enough?
Perfect.
Wow, you must have used 1,000,000 bulbs.
Buy 999,999, get one free.
Hey, here's a bulb that's not working.
No, Cody, no, that's the one that puts us into... Overload.